In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change security question on Fiverr. Keeping your Fiverr account secure is essential, and your security question is a key part of that. I'll walk you through the exact steps, explain what you'll see on screen, and share practical tips to make sure your new answer is both memorable and secure. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. In the results, click the official Fiverr website. If you aren't already signed in, log into your account first so you can access your settings. Once you're on Fiverr, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile avatar. From the menu that opens, select Account Settings. Inside Account Settings, find and click the section labeled Account Security. This is where Fiverr keeps all your protection tools. On this page, look for the Security Question area. You'll see an option to edit it. Click Edit to begin making changes. Before Fiverr lets you switch to a new question, you'll be prompted to confirm your identity by answering your current security question. Type your existing answer exactly as you originally said it. Pay attention to capitalization, spelling, and extra spaces, because these details can affect whether the answer is accepted. If you can't remember the answer, you'll need to recover access using Fiverr's built-in recovery options before you can continue. After you're verified, you'll be able to choose a new question from the drop-down. Pick a question that only you can confidently answer, but that you'll still remember months from now. Avoid answers that could be guessed from public information, like your pet's name on social media or your hometown if it's listed publicly. Unique, personal, and not easily searchable is the goal. Next, type your new answer. Keep the format consistent so you'll recall it the same way later. For example, decide whether you'll include capitalization or punctuation and stick with it. Consider an answer that's meaningful to you but hard for others to guess, and don't reuse answers you've used on other sites. When everything looks right, click Submit to save your changes. You should see a confirmation that your security question has been updated, and the change takes effect right away. That's it. You've successfully changed your security question on Fiverr. Quick recap. Open Fiverr, go to your profile, choose Account Settings, open Account Security, edit your security question, confirm with your current answer, pick a new question, enter a strong answer, and submit. Thanks for watching, and keep your account safe.